हेलो फ्रेंड्स, फ्यूचर लैब एज ए टीचिंग लर्निंग टूल्स फॉर बायोलॉजी। बायोलॉजी के यहाँ पर ये क्विज है फ्यूचर लैब की। इसके लास्ट 3 अटेम्प्ट में जो लास्ट में क्विज होगी, इनमें से किसी भी एक अटेम्प्ट में आपको 70% क्वेश्चन को सही करना होगा, यानी टोटल 20 क्वेश्चन है। 20 में से आपको 14 क्वेश्चन के सही आंसर देने होंगे। उन्हीं क्विज के यहाँ पर ये आंसर है। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, हाउ आर फ्यूचर लैब्स ट्रांसफॉर्मिंग एजुकेशन? करेक्ट आंसर बाय प्रोवाइडिंग immersive interactive learning experience that engage students. Second question, in virtual labs when students compare their experimental result with the theoretical. Correct answer है, analyze the difference between theory and practice to depend their understanding. Next question है, which of the following is an advantage of virtual labs our physical labs? Correct answer, can be accessed remotely anytime. Next question, in virtual labs important for teaching and learning biology? Correct answer, all of the above. Next question, how can you distinguish between unisexual and bisexual flowers? Correct answer, unisexual flowers contain either male or female reproductive organs, while bisexual flowers contain both. Next question, what is one of the key benefit of virtual lab for teaching and learning biology? Correct answer, they are cost effective. Next question, how can teachers use the action of slavery and analyze on starch virtual lab experiment in a pre-lab session? Correct answer, to demonstrate the theory behind enzyme action and prepare student for the experiment. Next question, what is the role of formatting assessment on virtual lab? Correct answer, it offer hand-on interactive simulations that provide real-time feedback to students as they learn. Next question, how do virtual labs improve the learning experiment? By provide a safe controlled environment where student can make error and learn from them. इसका आंसर है। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है यहाँ पर हमारा, in which chapter of the National Education Policy 2020 is immense place on the integration of teaching technology in education? Correct answer, chapter 23 and 24. Next question, the simulation in virtual labs are useful for? Correct answer, all of the above. Next question, which of the following is a key feature of virtual lab in a post lab session? Correct answer, reviewing, analyzing and drawing consolations based on the data collected. Next question, which of the following science process skill are enhanced by virtual lab? Correct answer, all of the above. Next question, how can a teacher use the study? Correct answer is to demonstrate how plants respond to light and gravity through interactive simulations. Next question, which lab assist physical lab in the form of? Correct answer, helping understand the material required and the step involves in performing an experiment. Next question, how do virtual lab help student connect experiment to theory? Correct answer, by providing hand-on practice with real world applications. Next question, what is the importance of calculating the percentage of pollen germination before beginning in virtual lab experiment? Correct answer, it helps in understanding the potential success rate of the experiment under contained condition. Next question, how is it diagnostic assessment connected to virtual labs? Correct answer, both A and B. Next question, which of the following is a key step in the pedagogical use of virtual lab? Correct answer, aligning virtual labs with learning objective. Next question, what is the purpose of diagnostic assessment in virtual lab? Correct answer, all of the above. ये थे हमारे 20 मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चंस और ये थे इसके हमारा स्कोर 20 अबाउ 20। आपके टोटल यहाँ पर जो क्वेश्चंस दी जाएंगे 20 क्वेश्चंस इस क्विज में हैं। ये 20 क्वेश्चंस के करेक्ट आंसर्स हैं। जो बाकी की क्विज है उनके आंसर्स भी आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन में मिल जाएंगे, वहां से आप लिंक पर डायरेक्ट क्लिक करके और फिर वीडियो को पॉज करके आप करेक्ट आंसर चेक कर सकते हैं। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग माई वीडियो।